Hello guys, welcome to Email Hostel where you learn new ways how to make money online. So as you can see right here on my screen, Starmil, engage, connect, learn and network through Starmil. So right here, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how this website works. So you need to watch this video to the very end, and before you register on any site, first of all, know how the site works. It's very important. Don't just see a site and just register. First of all, make inquiry, know whether it's legit or not legit. So you can see right here. So I'm going to be showing you how this site works. There are many ways to earn from this website that I'm going to be showing you in these videos. On this platform, you basically earn in dollars and withdraw to your local bank account, and this site is available for Africans only. You need to watch this video to the very end, but I'm going to show you practically way how you can earn from this website, so without stress. So you need to watch this video to the very end. And as you're watching this video, if you're not yet subscribe to my channel, turn on notification. Basically what I did in this channel that I make videos how to make money online. What I did that if I try to lie, if I find out something working for me, I record video right here by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do something and get some results. So if you have any question, just comment down below. I'm here to answer you. So right here on my account. So for you to earn from this site, to come right here. So right here you can see my balance right here. Just you can see my balance right here. You can see $3 right here is my balance right here. So I will perform task right here for you to. I will show you how you can perform tasks and earn from this website. So for you to perform tasks and just come right here and click on this star guest. Once you click on this star guest, it actually bring you right here. All you need to do, just scroll down all the way here. You can see the task for today. You can see right here, we are live and active. Star millionaires is just launched and ready to generate so many millionaires on this space. So you can see. So all you need to do just either you click on the YouTube, or you click on the TikTok, or you click on the Facebook. Just come right here. Let me just go with the YouTube. If I just click on this YouTube, it will just take me to my YouTube right here. So all you need to do is just to only to like this video. Just click on this like video. Once I click on this video, I just minimize right here and come back right here. Once I come back right here, I will just come right here and go back right here. Once I go back right here, I will just reload. Once I reload right here, you can just see and scroll down right here. You can just see right here that $1 right here have been added to my balance. You can see $1 right here, and is the $1 right here is equivalent to 1,000 naira, and $4 right here that I'm having right here is equivalent to 4,000 naira. So just for today. Right, you can see Ghana any structure right here. You can see registration of $5 right here. It's general registration of $5 right here. So you can see the 85 CDs right here is changed to 100 CDs. You can see welcome bonus and other things. And right here you can see Cameroon any structures. You can see the registration, you can see the welcome bonus, you can see the referral bonus and other things. And for Nigerians, it's one-time registration of 5,000 naira. You get 3,000 naira as a welcome bonus. If you refer someone, you get 4,200 naira. If you're downline refer, you get 300 naira. If you're downline refer, you get 100 naira. And I notice that you're earning 1,000 naira every day. You can also upload and sell ebooks on this website. You can upload and you can also sell ebooks, like to promote ebooks from this website and earn commission. And withdrawal days right here is for affiliates Mondays and Thursday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. as you can see right here with a minimum of $7. So right here you can see foreign withdrawal right here. You can see non-Nigeria. You can see ebooks commission right here Friday. You can see non-referrals right here first of every month. Take note. So if you actually find value in this video, all I want you to do for me is to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification. What I basically do in the channel that I make videos how to make people alive. What I did that I try to start life. I found out something working for me. I record video show you guys what I've done so you can do the same thing and get exact results. So subscribe, turn on notification, and the first link in the description, click it for you to register. Very important. If you have any question, comment down below I'm right here to answer your questions. So like this video, share to your friends, let them benefit as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave me a like in this video.